Former Fine Gael councillor Seán McKiernan has been sentenced to 2 years and 9 months in prison for stealing more than €172,000 from a mental health charity. The Trim Circuit Court heard McKiernan took funds from the Navan Mental Health Housing Association between 2019 and 2020 while serving as a trustee. Prosecutors told the court the money was diverted into 58 cheques made payable to dozens of individuals. The money was lodged to 33 individuals into 32 different bank accounts at 23 different bank branches. Evidence showed Mr. McKiernan used the stolen charity funds to pay South American male escorts and buy drugs including crystal meth, GHB and cocaine. The sentencing hearing heard that one video found on Mr. McKiernan's phone after his arrest was of the ex-cathaoirleach using a crack pipe while lying in bed with an individual and asking them to perform a sex act on him. During the hearing, judges were told McKiernan had pleaded guilty to several of the theft charges. The judge imposed a prison term after considering the seriousness of the offence and McKiernan's breach of trust. The judge jailed him for 3 years and 9 months, suspending the final 12 months under conditions.